Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to check IMEI number for the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the first one, it's secret code. So let's open the phone together and now enter the super code, which is *#06#, and that's it. Here you can check your IMEI numbers. Tap OK to go back, and let's go to the second method. So just open the settings, then scroll down, find and select About Phone, and here go to Status. And now you will be able to notice your IMEI numbers. You can also see the serial number, which is here on the very bottom of the list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.